Hello friends, welcome to my another new video. In this video I will talk about master's degree program in Kayani University of Applied Science, and in particular today I will talk about master's degree in global business management in Kayani University of Applied Science. Yes. If you are new to my channel, this is Mahfuzul Haq. I live in Finland and my channel focuses study in Finland and videos related to Finland. If my video helps you, please thumbs up on my video and consider subscribing to my channel. So guys, let me tell you more about this degree program and about this university and when you can apply in this university. So guys, let me tell you more details about this degree program. So let me first tell you about Kayani University of Applied Science. Yes, this is a applied science university and this master's program will be in English. Okay, so if you want to study in Kayani University of Applied Science, this university is located in Kayani. Kayani is a little bit far from Helsinki, and this is a city in Finland. And the name of the degree program is Master's Degree in Global Business Management. The duration of this degree program is only 1.5 years and it's a 90 ECTS degree program or master's degree program. So after completing this degree you can go to work permit very easily. So if you want to study in this program, so I will tell you when is the application period, and let me tell you more. Yes, about the tuition fees is only 6,000 euros per year. Tuition fees only 6,000 euro. So for the first year you also have a early bird discount which is 15%. So if you pay tuition fees within 2 weeks from the notice of the admission, you will get 15% early bird discount from the university automatically, and then the tuition fees will be for the first year is 5,100 euros only, 5,100 euros, and you have then only half year after completing your first year studies, so you don't have to pay for the whole year. So for the second year you will pay only half because you will study only half of a year. Okay, so let me tell you more when is the admission time. So the admission time will start September 1st of September. So admission will begin 1st of September 2021. So it's only few days when I am publishing this video. So get ready guys, it's a very interesting degree program. So get ready for your admission, for your application. Okay, I will show you more how to look for this program from Kayani Ammatti Korkeakoulu, which is Kayani University of Applied Science, and how to look for this application from study info. Okay, so guys, let me tell you more about this degree program, and the class will start February 2022. February 2022. So you have enough time in your hand for applying for your residence permit. Okay, and you also have the possibility for late joining. Okay, from the start date. So for example, if your residence permit comes a few weeks later than the course already started, it is possible to join by online. Okay, you can also join by online. Okay, the teaching will be of course day teaching, and it's a 3 to 4 days per week lesson, 3 to 4 days. So you don't have to study whole week. Okay, so you will have 1 or 2 days working time or part time. You can do part-time job during those 3 days. Okay, so how many students will be admitted this year? There will be 20 to 40 students depending on the application. Okay, so guys, let me tell you about the eligibility. Of course you need to have a eligibility. So first of all is academic qualification requirement. Okay, so the minimum requirement is a bachelor's degree qualification in any field. So it could be any field. Okay, and a 2 years work experience in the field of business and commerce. So you must have a 2 years work experience, and it has to be in the field of business and commerce, and as well as sufficient proficiency in English. So if you have good English proficiency, you are welcome to apply as soon as possible. This application period starts. But if you think you are not good at English, I don't recommend you to apply for this program, because this is a master's program, this is not bachelor. So you must have a good English language proficiency. However, remember, a minimum of 20 credits of business studies are required. So if you are a student from technology background or IT background, so you must have 20 credits from business studies, otherwise your application will not be accepted. But there are a few interesting things I will mention. Yes, applicants with work experience in demanding specialist post or a managerial or leadership post can be considered to have achieved the required 20 credits of business studies. So if you are a manager or if you are a leader in a company and you are doing a managerial things or work, so that work experience will be counted also 20 credits business studies. So in that sense, you don't have to have 20 credits from your academic background. Okay, applicants must present appropriate certificates of their studies and work experience, their degree certificate and work certificates to prove their eligibility within the application time. Yes, it has to be within the application time. Okay, I will mention the time. So yes, let me tell you more. Yes, I have a list here, so I am checking the list and telling you more. So how about the exam and how university will check your English language proficiency? Yes, an English test score required. No, you don't need any IELTS. You don't have to have a IELTS score, but you will have an interview with university, so they will test your English language proficiency. So they will give you a interview time in October. And yes, there is no entrance exam. Most of the universities in University of Applied Science, they require entrance exam, but this course doesn't require any entrance exam. So how they will check your eligibility? Yes, so the students for the master's degree will be selected based on a motivation letter. So you have to write a motivation letter why you are why you want to study in that university. So you have to write a motivation letter about this, and your motivation letter will be your entrance exam. So university will check your motivation letter and they will call for you a online interview, and the interview will be Microsoft Teams meeting. So this is the application, Microsoft Teams meeting. Okay, so you need only one motivation letter and you need to have a good English language proficiency. That's all. Yes, and remember, the motivation letter must be submitted before 15th of September 2021, 3 p.m. Eastern European time. 3 p.m. Eastern European time, which is like Finland time. The online interview will be on October 2021. So if you are called for the online interview, the interview will be October 2021. So guys, let's continue more. This is a very good chance for the new students who has graduated from bachelor degree and are working and they have a work experience. So this is a good opportunity to study in Finland. So there is no age limit, but you must have a bachelor degree and at least 2 years of work experience after completing your bachelor degree. So if you didn't complete and you were working during your study time in bachelor degree, that will not be counted. So your work experience will be counted after you have graduated. Okay, remember these things. Yes, remember the deadline. Yes, certificates, that means your bachelor degree certificate and your work experience certificate must be submitted to Kajaani University of Applied Sciences before 15th of September 2021 3 p.m. EET or Eastern European Time. Okay guys, so let me tell you about the selection procedure. Okay, will there be an interview? Yes, October 2021 by Teams. Will there be any written test? The motivation letter must be submitted by 15th of September 2021 3 p.m. Finnish time. Okay, once the interview is conducted, after how much time the admission letter be provided? This could be your question. So the processing time for the exam and interview results is approximately 1 month. This can be longer. Yes, once the student deposits the fee, after how much time is the confirmed admission letter or fee receipt provided? Guys, admission letter will be sent to all accepted students right after the admission results have been published. Yes, the tuition fee will be paid in CAMK online shop after accepting the study place in studyinfo.fi, and the receipt of the tuition fee will be sent to the email address mentioned while doing the payment immediately. Guys, let me tell you more about refunding your tuition fees. Okay, in case of your visa refusal or residence permit refusal by Finnish authorities, will the student get 100% tuition fee refund? If the studies are online, you will not get any refund. If you are doing your study online, you will not get any refund for that semester, but you can apply for refund for the next semester. Okay, so how about your study permit gets delayed and you get residence permit refusal after your course has already started? Will you get 100% refund? So let me tell you. Okay, the permit refusal should be presented during the first year studies. Okay, you have to show it during the first year studies. The possibility to study online will determine if the student gets any refund. So if you are doing online studies, you will not get any refund. Okay guys, remember this. After you send your refusal letter to the university, how long will it take to transfer the refund? It takes 5 to 10 working days. So now I will show you where can you find this program and how to apply during 1st of September until 15th of September. So guys, if you want to check details about this study program, you can come to kamk.fi. Okay, so this is the official site for Kajaani University of Applied Science, which is in Finnish Kajaani Ammatti Korkeakoulu. You can see Kajaani University of Applied Science, and then you can change the language to English. I already did. So then you can click here and you can go to English.degrees, how to apply for studies at KAMK. Okay, so applying for the master degree program, click here. Yes, you can read these things here. I don't want to read all of this, and I have already explained about this degree program. So when you come here, you can see master degree in global business management. Yes, this is a full-time. The thing I have explained, you can also read from here. Eligibility, yes, application, tuition fees, yes, contact information, what is the selection procedure of this degree program. So you can click this degree program and you can read more about this degree program, the future opportunities, job opportunities, and what you can do after you graduate from this degree program. Of course, the master degree program has a value than a bachelor degree program, in particular for business studies. Okay, and of course it's a business management, global business management. Okay, so you can read from here. Study places, 90 credits, I think I have already explained, and this is a contact information. If you want to know more, you can contact here. Okay, so I don't see any link here. To find the link, so you have to go to study info. Okay, studyinfo.fi. fi. From here, from this website, you can apply or make application during application time, which is 1st of September to September 15th. Okay, so you come here, then you can click here, search for study option. You can see autumn joint application to higher education, 1st to 15. Click here. Yes, so I don't want to check all these university and degree programs. I'm talking about in particular master degree program for Kayani University of Applied Science. So what I will do, I will click here university master's degree. Okay, so then you will get only the master's degree program from the University of Applied Science. Now let's go down. We can find, yes, Master of Business Administration MBA and master degree in Global Business Management Kayani. Okay, so you can read more. You can click here. So you can see 90 ECTS credits, description of this course. You can click show more and you can read all of this. I think I have already explained, but you can read. Of course, you should read. And you can see the tuition fee is 6,000, but you will get 15% early bird discount I mentioned. So after that, you will get 5,100. So then you can also click more. And here, so now you can see fill in application form. This link is now disabled. It's not active, but this will be active from 1st of September. You can see application begins 1st of September 8 a.m. and the application period will end this time. Okay, so remember to do your application as early as possible, because there will be many applicants, so it is good to apply in the beginning. So you can read the admission criteria. I have already explained, but you can of course read, and you should read. Okay, and then when the application time will be 1st of September, this link will be active and you can click the link and you can fill the application. So when you are filling this application, if you have any question, you can comment under this video. I will try to answer as soon as possible. And I have a video about master degree program in my YouTube channel, and you can I have shown how to fill up a form. You can find videos. I will put the link in the video description, and you can watch that video how to fill up this joint application. I have made a tutorial about that, so you should watch that if you need help. Okay guys, so guys, this is the details. I think it's very exciting. You have a joint application in September, and this is only 1.5 years course, and after completing this degree you can apply for work permit. So guys, this is a good opportunity for you if you want to apply for master's degree program in global business management. This is an opportunity, and the admission time is almost nearby, so you should prepare. You can practice writing motivation letter. I have a video in my channel. You can watch that, how to write motivation letter, and you can also watch videos related to study in Finland. So guys, once again, if my video helps you, please consider thumbs up on my video, and consider subscribing to my channel. And yes, see you in my next video. Have a nice day, take care, and bye bye.